Hey everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you everything that I've purchased on Amazon in the last month. Also, here's our special guest. I just had this video idea. I thought it would be so much fun to show you guys literally everything I bought off of Amazon in a month, because then you can see what I'm actually buying, and it's stuff from all sorts of different categories like home and fashion and cleaning and food. And yeah, I thought it would be so fun. Hold up, wait, before we get into the rest of the video, I need to remind you guys that today is the last day you can get happy hour merch. If you are considering getting a piece, here's the long sleeve right here. So cute, and this is the last day you can get it ever. You will never be able to get it again, and it would break my heart if any of you wanted the long sleeve, the yellow crew neck, the yellow hoodie, and you couldn't get your hands on it because it's never coming back. So I just wanted to remind you guys, today is the last day you can get your hands on it. I will have it linked down below where you can get them, where you can twin with me. I want you to feel as happy as I do when I wear them. Boys love it too, right, Max? You love your hoodie?
I do.
And last thing I'm realizing, because today is November 30th, you guys are probably like, Gretchen, are you doing Vlogmas? I've seen a lot of those questions. Yes, I'm doing Vlogmas.
You are?
But yes, of course.
What?
Are you like surprised?
No, I'm not. I know you're doing it.
But how I've always done it is that I start filming December 1st, because filming before December 1st just seems like a sin to me. Vlogmas starts December 1st. I know everyone else and their mother starts on like November 30th or even earlier now, so that they can get their Vlogmas day one up on December 1st. But to me, it was like you're trying to hold in a yawn. But to me, Vlogmas day one is December 1st. I edited it that night. It goes up the next day. So yes, I'm doing Vlogmas. Vlogmas day one will be filmed tomorrow, December 1st, and it will go up December 2nd, so on and so forth. Love ya. So I got everything out for you guys. I'll check on my phone and my order history to make sure. And yeah, let's get on into it. First thing, probably the best thing, are these slippers. You guys need these in your life. I'll have everything linked down below, by the way, before I forget to mention. These slippers are so amazing, okay? They are just so stinking cute because they're like this fuzzy cream color, and I love the design of them, like the style, how they're crisscross. Scary Brody's gonna try to eat them. He always tries to eat these. They're a little bit crunchy and slobbery. Uh-oh, here we go. He loves them. Don't let your dogs ruin these. And yeah, they're just really fuzzy and soft. So fuzzy and soft on your feet, but also really cute. And yeah, link down below. You guys will love these. I would recommend sizing up. I think I sized up in these. I remember reading the reviews that they run kind of small. And so yeah, we're gonna go put these away. Sorry, buddy. I know you love eating my slippers, but they're not for you. Next up, 2 coffee table books. First one I got is called For the Love of White, the White and Neutral Home, which obviously I love. You guys can tell, love the neutral white vibes. So yeah, this is just really cool. I've been loving looking at the pictures in here. I've actually left this on my coffee table open to this photo because I just love it and get a lot of inspiration from it. And yeah, just love this one. I love white coffee table books to obviously go with my white neutral vibe. The next one I got is Harper's Bazaar 150 Years, The Greatest Moments. I think these are all their covers. I don't want to be wrong in saying that, but yeah, it's really cool. I just love looking through these. The Greatest Moments. Yeah, so I would recommend these. Just got them on Amazon. I feel like coffee table books from Amazon are the cheapest place you can buy them, better than getting them anywhere else where they will be more expensive. Words are so hard today, huh, Brody? Next up, cleaning spray. Because of you. No, I'm kidding. This I normally just put on our kitchen counters when I'm like cleaning up after dinner. This is the, oh my gosh, wait, I'm shook. Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day, like multi-surface spray. I never knew that it was Mrs. Meyer's. I've always just called this Meyer's. Mrs. Meyer's. I'm so shocked. What's that thing, like that theory that you remember things differently than how they were? Do you guys know what I'm talking about? What is that? Because I've always thought that this was Meyer's in my head. I guess it's Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. This is the peony scent, which I had to track down. It was so hard to find this one, but I really wanted to get it because I think my mom loved it. She was like, Gretchen, you need the peony one. It smells so good. But I think it was limited edition, so I was looking everywhere. And this one, I spent way too much money on Amazon because I just really wanted to try this scent. But then I found literally a 3-pack of these for the same price that I paid for one. So yeah. I'll link it down below if it's still on there, but it smells so good. Like, it doesn't smell like a cleaner smell. It just smells like yummy like flower smell. Yummy, I don't know if that's a good way to describe it. It just smells so good. Like it doesn't smell like cleaning solution, you know? So I've really been liking wiping up my counters with that. Next up, I told you this is like so random, but I just ordered like everything on Amazon, huh? Are you chewing on my, Brody! I didn't realize he was chewing on my freaking coffee table book. Buddy, no. Okay, don't worry, I got him his snuggle pup he can chew on. There you go. Okay, next up, Jane's Crazy Mixed Up Salt. This was a recommendation from my dad long ago. He put Jane's Crazy Mixed Up Salt on everything. So good, you guys. If you haven't tried it, it's just so good. I feel like I've talked about it a bunch, and some of you guys will DM me and be like, oh my gosh, I got Jane's Crazy Mixed Up Salt. It's so good. It just is like a blend of salt and other herbs, spices, dehydrated onion, dehydrated garlic. That's what it says on it. But there's just like a bunch of stuff in here. It's so good. I literally just put it on everything that you put like salt and pepper on. I just put this on, maybe add some pepper, and it's so good on avocado toast. Just try it. I got a pack of 3 of these, like big ones. So yeah, I like go through it quite quickly. Next up, I got this fabric shaver, which I still haven't opened. I probably got this a couple weeks ago. You dropped your snuggle pup. Sorry, I'm being a dog mom simultaneously. There it is. But basically, I just saw this, I think on someone's Instagram story. They were like, if you have pilled leggings or sweatshirts or pants, whatever, get this fabric shaver on Amazon and it will like shave off the pills and make it look brand new. So I'm like, wow, I think I need that for some of my leggings, and still haven't opened it. So this might be one of those things that you like think you need, but you actually don't. Do any of you guys use these? Let's open it right now together. It's literally been sitting here and I needed to use it. Okay, it kind of looks like complex. There's a lot going on, like different blades. Not for you. Oh, Brody thinks it's like a toy or something. But yeah, I guess this is what it looks like. Oh, that's cool. The little pills must go in this little, so TBD on if I use that. Next up, we have my wet brush. I know I showed this recently in a haul video. Do you want to be brushed? Do you like that? He's like, what are you doing to me? So, wet brush. So good, you guys. Not supposed to be a doggy brush for your hair. And if you guys haven't heard of wet brushes before or used one, like, what are you doing? They're so good. I mean, I feel like everyone brushes their hair when it's wet out of the shower, right? I guess you could wait for it to dry and then brush it, but like I could simply not do that because I have a lot of hair, but it's fine, so it gets so tangly and I need a wet brush to comb it out. If I ever don't have a wet brush and like could use someone else's brush, like it just doesn't work. The bristles I just feel like are a lot softer and more like bendy, just better for when your hair is damp or wet, and there's a lot less breakage, everything like that. Wet brushes are so good. I feel like every hairdresser would agree with me here and would recommend one of these because they are just better than like normal brushes if you're brushing through your wet hair. And I've always used a smaller like round one. Do you want to bite it now? But I got a like square one paddle brush, that's what they're called, because I just have a lot of hair. And so it actually, I would agree with my assumption that this would make brushing my hair quicker, and I think it really has, because it's just a bigger brush, so I feel like it cuts down the brushing my hair out time after my shower. It makes it quicker. So I've just been loving this, is what I'm trying to say. Will be linked down below. Would so recommend. I like that it's black and just sleek. Okay, the rest, you guys, I don't even think I can hold that up and show you because it's like being used in different ways. So I'm just looking on my order history so I can share with you. Okay, this Amazon Basics foldable drying rack, that's what it's called. So good. We just needed a drying rack that was like simple, cheap, just got the job done, didn't need to do anything special. Yeah, it was pretty affordable from Amazon. It's in our laundry room. Small, but I can get like all of my Lululemon that I need to hang up on there, so it's really good. Okay, next up we have my pampas grass, which I can insert footage of right here. They're beautiful and fluffy and I love them, and I want to say they're a little bit more on Amazon than they were on Etsy, but these in specific came so quick, you guys. I think it estimated like 2 or 3 weeks. It legit came in 2 days. Like I ordered 2 sets of them and both times they came so quick. So I would so recommend these, and they come very full and fluffy and I love them so much. I think they're such a good like decor staple. Next up we have those clear acrylic containers. I have some in my fridge, I have some in my pantry. They make organizing a breeze and it just looks so much more organized and put together and better with them. So I would totally recommend these, and that's why my pantry is organized in the slightest, because before it was just like mayhem, free-for-all, stuff was everywhere. Next up we have another, this kind of reminds me of the drying rack, but it's not a drying rack, it's a clothing rack, white clothing rack. in our second bedroom. Just very basic, kind of same idea as the drying rack though, where we were like, hey, we just wanted to get the job done. Doesn't need to be really expensive or do anything crazy. Just white, simple Amazon one. And yeah, it kind of looks nice too, and I just have clothes on there. I usually put clothing on there before I'm like shooting a haul video or photos or stuff, to just kind of have them set aside for my closet so that I can tell that those are the clothes that I'm working with, if that makes sense. Next up we have, see, like I can't grab these because, well, I guess I could hold this up, but this is a cold brew maker, like little coffee, I think it's called Coffee Gator. Yes, Coffee Gator. If you guys saw, I got Max this for our 2-year anniversary because we don't even have a coffee maker. We might need to get one for Christmas. But yeah, this has been so good to make. We just like iced coffee anyway, so it makes cold brew, and I would really recommend this one. I read so many reviews on Amazon. I'm like Amazon review queen. I feel like before I buy something, I always read the reviews to like make sure. So if I'm recommending something, I've read the reviews and they're good. And this cold brew coffee maker is really good, so I would totally recommend the one we got. And then with it, I got the little milk frother. That's really good. I guess I could have grabbed that, but it's just like a simple black one. 2 more things, you guys. I got a bunch of white Christmas lights. I think the most it let me buy was 5, so I got 5 packs of white Christmas lights. My back little porch area, and it's so beautiful with the white Christmas lights. And I couldn't grab this because it was kind of big and kind of wet too in our second bathroom that has a bathtub in it. I got this wooden bath caddy, I think is what you could call it, and I just put my phone on it. You could have a candle on it, you can have your glass of wine, you can have your hydro flask, whatever it is when you're taking a bath. So it's so nice to have this little thing. I know it has a little stand that you could put your iPad or maybe even like laptop if you wanted to. I'd probably be scared to bring my laptop in the bath, but maybe like an iPad. It just like rests on this like wooden thing that goes over the bathtub. And I got some questions about that, so that's from Amazon. Everything that I mentioned, you guys, will be linked down below. I thought this was gonna be like so long, but I guess you know what, I feel like I ordered a lot off of Amazon in a month. Yeah, I feel like that is a lot, but I feel like I went through it pretty quickly. So I guess this video is a little bit on the shorter side, but I thought that would just be so fun to show you guys everything that I literally am spending my own money on to order in a month from Amazon, stuff that I find useful and like I needed, and a lot of the stuff has been really good. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.